comments on Israel? We're asking everybody today. Any comments
Tell
on
them to
Israel?
get the hell out of Palestine.
Ooh. Any better comments than that?
Remember, these people are occupied, and it's their land. It's not German, it's not Poland.
So where should they go? What should they do?
They go home.
Where's the home?
Poland.
So the Jews,
Germany.
You think Jews go back to Poland and Germany?
And America and everywhere else.
There's a bunch of angry white guys out there, so we need to program to them. And the angrier we get them, the more viewers we'll have. And they were already angry to begin with, so we'll give them even a little more nudging. Like, we'll make sure we have at least 3 stories in every O'Reilly Factor that involves black teenagers who are in a hip-hop band with their underwear sticking out of their pants. Because if we do that, we'll get them angrier and they'll watch more often. Yeah. We'll do another story on a Hispanic somewhere who got into an accident or beat up some white guy's daughter. See, these stories don't appear by magic. They're there for a purpose.
Why? Hollywood is run by Jews. It's owned by Jews. Hollywood is run by Jews. It's owned by Jews. Hollywood is run by Jews. It's owned by Jews.
Je m'appelle Philippe Verdier, je suis journaliste, présentateur météo à la télévision. Mon livre, Climat Investigation, est sorti il y a 1 mois. Depuis, je suis interdit d'antenne sur ma propre chaîne. Ce matin, j'ai reçu ce courrier. J'ai décidé d'ouvrir cette lettre avec vous et devant vous, parce qu'elle s'adresse à chacun. Au nom de la liberté d'expression et du droit à l'information,